In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on this Lexus IS250. This is located behind your glove box. Let's get started. Open up your glove box and remove anything that might be in it so we can access the little door that's behind there. Now lift up this little door, set it aside. Behind it, you'll find your cabin air filter. On each side, there will be one of these push clips that you have to lift or push in and then lift up on, and that will unlock the air filter itself with the tray, which you can then slide right out. Now what you want to do is squeeze in the sides and lift it up. It's got these tabs that lock it in. Take that out. If your air filter has an airflow arrow, make sure that it is facing upwards if it says up on it, or if it says airflow, make sure the airflow is facing in the downward direction. Regardless, this does not have an arrow, so I'm just going to place it in here. Make sure it is fully seated in its tray. Now insert this back in. Slide it all the way in. You can use the center tab to hold it. Push it all the way in until it stops, and then down. Listen for it click. Make sure both tabs are clicked in. Then take the black cover and line it up with the glove box, and the top has to lock in as well as the bottom. Just like that. Put any belongings back in the glove box, and job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.